Hello guys, we are going to determine the angle formed by two secants intersecting outside the circle. So in the figure, we have lines CP and DP intersect at point P outside the circle. So this is the angle formed, and this is what we are going to determine. It is given that the measure of arc CD is 130 and arc AB is 40. So if we're going to connect two points which are D and A, okay, pwede rin yung CB, ha? Okay, so if we will connect the points DA, we have a segment BA. Then we have formed two inscribed angles which are angle D and angle A. Okay, so apply natin yung concept ng inscribed angle theorem. The measure of angle A is equal to 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc, CD. So measure of arc CD. And the measure of angle A, since this is 130, then this is equal to 65. Also, for angle D, which is an inscribed angle, it's half the measure of its intercepted arc, arc AB. So what's the measure of arc AB? It's equal to 40. So measure of angle D is 20. In this figure, after we connect the points D and A, nagkaroon tayo ng triangle, and that's triangle A, D, P. So in triangle ADP, these two are the remote interior angles in relation to this angle, the exterior angle. So sabi natin sa exterior angle theorem, the sum of the two remote interior angles is equal to the exterior angle. So we have measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle D plus the measure of angle P. So measure of angle A is 1/2 the measure of arc CD. Okay, substitute lang natin. So measure of angle D is 1/2 the measure of arc AB. Okay, plus measure of angle P. So, combining this together, we have 1/2 of arc CD minus the measure of minus 1/2 the measure of arc AB. So this is equal to the measure of angle P. Since there is a common factor, i-factor out natin. So that's 1/2 the measure of arc CD minus the measure of arc AB. This is equal to the measure of angle P. Okay. So, will this formula work? Yes. Okay, try natin. Lagyan natin ng label to. So, this is 20. This one is 65. Okay, sabi natin, yung exterior angle ay equal sa sum ng two remote interior angles. So, ito kanina ay, okay, ang nakuha natin ay, wala pa pala, no? So, 65 minus 20, alam natin na ito ay magiging 45. Okay, apply natin yung solution na to, or yung formula na to. So, measure of angle P is equal to 1/2 the measure of arc CD minus the measure of arc AB. Okay, so it's 1/2 of 130 or 130 minus 40. So this is equal to 1/2 of 90. And what's 1/2 of 90? It's 45. Okay, so measure of angle P. Okay, alright class. So, ito kanina yung ating exterior angle, 65. So, it is the sum of the two remote interior angles. So, 20 plus 45 is 65. Or, pag meron na to, 65 minus 20, that is 45. So, there are different ways on how we can determine the angle measure. So, just apply what is concept na related to it. So this is about the theorem of two secants intersecting outside the circle. It says here that The measure of the angle formed by two secants intersecting outside the circle is 1/2 the difference of its intercepted arcs. Thank you guys for listening.